Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept one-time payments with Jotform. This is an incredibly useful skill if you're selling products, accepting donations, or processing any kind of payment through your forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Jotform dashboard, where all your forms are stored and managed. From here, you'll be able to access the form you want to add payment capabilities to. In your dashboard, locate the form you want to edit. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This opens up the Form Builder, which is where you'll make all the necessary changes to enable payments. The Form Builder is your workspace for customizing every aspect of your form, from fields to design to payment integration. Now, in the left panel of the Form Builder, click on Add Element. This section contains all the different types of fields and features you can add to your form. What you're looking for here is the Payments category. Navigate to it, and you'll see various payment options available for integration. In the search field, type either Stripe or PayPal, depending on which payment processor you prefer to use. Once you see it appear in the results, click on it. This will add the payment element to your form, but you'll need to configure it properly to start accepting payments. Next, click the Payment Properties button. This opens up the configuration panel where you'll set up your payment connection. Look for the yellow button under Payment Connection in the right panel and click it. This is where you'll link your Stripe or PayPal account to Jotform. You'll be prompted to type your preferred connection name in the field provided. This is just a label to help you identify this connection later, especially if you manage multiple payment accounts. After entering the name, click Connect with Stripe, then sign in to your Stripe account when prompted. Once you've signed in, click Continue to complete the connection. This step is crucial because it establishes the secure link between Jotform and your payment processor, allowing funds to flow directly into your account. Now that your payment processor is connected, it's time to configure the payment type. In the Payment Type section, select Sell Products from the drop-down menu. This option is specifically designed for one-time payments and allows you to list products that customers can purchase through your form. Next, customize your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Make sure you select the currency that matches your business location or your customer's preferences. This ensures that prices display correctly and transactions process smoothly. Click the product list icon, and in the right panel, click plus Add Product. This is where you'll start building your product catalog. Add all the relevant product details, type in the product name, set the price, write a description, and click Choose Images followed by Upload File to add a product photo. This visual element helps customers see exactly what they're purchasing and can significantly improve conversion rates. Once you've finished setting up your products and configuring all payment settings, click Publish at the top right. This makes your form live and ready to accept payments. After publishing, you can copy the shareable link or embed code to place the form on your website or share it directly with customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up one-time payments with Jotform, giving you a powerful way to sell products or accept payments directly through your forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.